Are you looking for new construction in Walsh Ranch and want an absolutely gorgeous kitchen like the one you see behind me? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you the new Highlands model, the 216 floor plan. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications to make sure you get kept up to date with everything that's going on in Aledo. My name's Jared, I live in Aledo, and I get calls and texts all the time from people just like yourself who are thinking about moving to the area. They want to know what it's going to cost them, what the amenities are, what shopping is like, and what the best neighborhood for their family is. So if that's you, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or even schedule a Zoom call directly with me at the link below, and we'll get in touch. Because whether you're thinking about moving next week or next year, my goal is to make this transition as smooth as possible. Let's check out the tour. Okay, today we are taking a look at Highland's latest model home in Walsh Ranch. This is the 216 floor plan on a 60-foot lot. As you can see, this thing is so new that the other model homes aren't even complete yet. So that is the 50-foot model you're seeing right there without the flags up. Not complete yet. I will get a tour of that up as soon as it's done. But this is the 60-foot lot, the 216D by Highland Homes. So I am going to show you this property and I want to prepare you. It is absolutely beautiful. They have done a ton of upgrades on this one. And so buyer beware, don't fall in love with this too soon. I got to tell you, almost everywhere you look, there's an upgrade of some sort. So the 216D, this layout with the options that are selected on this floor plan is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath. Every bedroom has its own full bath. This is the study. So this built-in is an upgrade. These beams are an upgrade. Now builders put upgrades on their model homes to show you how awesome their homes can be and will be. You just need to know that sometimes it might not be practical to put all of the upgrades in that they put in their model. So this floor plan, the 216D, has a MSRP, or a base price with no upgrades, of about $665,990. So that's the base price. This home, see the wainscoting along the walls, that's all an upgrade. This property has probably $250,000 to $300,000 in upgrades, guys. So absolutely gorgeous, but you may not be putting this many upgrades in your own home. There is a 216 available as an inventory home. Again, if you haven't seen my other videos, an inventory home is one they're already building. You might call it a spec home. And the list price of the inventory 216 is $761,000 and some change. So maybe about $100,000 in upgrades. Now, this floor is an upgrade. You do get hard floors in the hallways and the kitchen. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen. So this layout is standard. You don't have to pay additional for the layout. Quartz in these kitchens is standard. This specific style is a higher level quartz. They even use the same quartz as the backsplash. So that's beautiful. The hardware in here is standard. The cabinetry is an upgrade. It's like a maple finish. That's an upgrade. This fireplace, it does come with a fireplace. It's normally in a different location. And these tiles are enormous tiles. So the tile work here is an upgrade. Let me take a look. So again, just a beautiful home. These giant sliding doors. We're gonna take a look at this back porch. So these doors are an upgrade. You've got an extended covered patio. There is some construction going on out here still, guys. Sorry if that gets a little noisy, but we're gonna take a look. Well, let's go check out the master. Now stick around to the end. I will cover the incentives that they are currently offering. Now normally that fireplace would be right here. Let's go check this out. So the wainscoting along the walls. Again, beautiful, beautiful work on this house. The barn door's an upgrade. Highland builds a very nice quality home. Standalone tub used to be an upgrade with Highland. It is now a standard feature on these homes, these 60-foot lots. Kind of a Highland feature that if you see a home in a neighborhood where Highland builds and you see a glass window and a shower like that, you can bet money that it's a Highland home. So look at these giant tiles, guys. These are huge pieces of tile. That is an upgrade. That is a really pretty feature. You've got tile on the outside of this shower. Now we are in Walsh Ranch, like I mentioned. There's lots of amenities available in Walsh Ranch. Your HOA fee is relative to the size of your lot. That's something important to note. So smaller lots have a lower HOA fee. The HOA does cover some of the notable things like front lawn maintenance, high-speed internet, 2 gigabit speed internet, and then you have multiple pools, a ton of parks, you have a makerspace, you have a workout center, you have like a community garden, you have a couple of ponds. Now here is your laundry room. Now this sink setup here is an upgrade. Now Highland does have a limited available inventory right now. They have about 4 of these 60-foot lot homes available as inventory right now. And they have maybe 6 50-foot lot homes that are available as inventory. And then maybe 10 or 12 townhomes. So thanks for checking out the 216D. Thanks for checking out the 216 by Highland Homes. Now, like I mentioned, I did want to cover the available incentives. Now, as of recording, and this could change by the time you watch this, Highland Home is offering $15,000 in concessions towards your closing costs or expenses if you use their mortgage lender. And if you're curious about their available current inventory, give me a call, shoot me a text, or schedule a Zoom link. I'm happy to make sure you get all the information you need. Because remember, whether you're thinking about moving next week or next year, I'm happy to help make this transition as smooth as possible.